Hello, future science rock stars. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sushmita, and today we are diving into one of the most fascinating topic in science maths, circles. So whether you are just starting to prep or you are looking for fine-tune your skills, you are in the right place. So why circles? You might think they are just simple shapes, but in science math, they are packed with important concepts that can really test your understanding of geometry. From chords to tangent to arc length, there's a lot to unpack. But don't worry. Basically, we'll be doing with the help of Desmos, like most kind of question that comes require just Desmos. So, just one sec. No. So I'll basically introduce you to equation of circle. So equation of circle where the center 0, 0 and radius r, right, would be given by x square plus y square equals to r square, where center is 0, 0 and radius is r. So if we have equation x square plus y square equals to 81, right? So center is definitely 0, 0 and radius would be 9 because r square is 81. So r would be 9. Now, another equation is we have when center is not 0, 0, right? In that case, if your center is h comma k, so if the center is h comma k and radius is r, then equation will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So center would be h comma k and radius is r. Radius is r. So these are the few things that these are the two things that you need to know. Not now we are going to do some questions, right, based on it. The circle equations, right? So give me a moment. I'll just load it. Yep. Actually, guys, I loaded it, but it's not showing me. Yeah. Okay. So screen. Yeah. Here. Can you see these questions? So we'll specifically deal with the question that require the circle equation. So over here in this question number 5, you can see center is 4 and -2, right? And they have given which equation should it work. So from here we know that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So this is h and this is k. So that means x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. So obviously, b would go away and d would go away. Now, which of these? Now, over here, you can see 1 unit, 2 unit, 3, and slightly more than 3. So radius is greater than 3, but less than 4 square. So anything between 9 and 16. Anything between 9 and 16, right? So obviously this option goes back and this is your answer, right? Okay, let's do another one. Over here, you are given the equation of a circle and we have to find which of the following contains the diameter of the circle. So my equation is x square minus 10x plus y square plus 6y equals to minus 9. Now, if you don't know completing the square, that's not a problem. You simply go to your Desmos. Where is my Desmos? Yeah. So go to Desmos and then we'll simply put the values over here. So it's x square minus 10x plus y squared plus 6y equals to minus 9. So I put, you can see, circle has appeared over here, right? Can you see circle has appeared over here? Now you know this point, 5 comma 2 and here 5 comma negative 8. So this is 5 comma 2 and this is, so the midpoint of this is going to give you the center. So midpoint would be 5 and 2 minus 8 because 5 plus 5 divided by 2 would definitely be 5 and then divided by 2 would give you minus 6 by 2. So negative 3. So center of the circle is 5 and negative 3, right? So we have got center 5 and negative 3, right? So it should satisfy these equation because diameter line is going to lie on the center. So if I put 3 over 5 over here, I would get 3. So obviously not this. If I put 5, 5 2 times negative 2 is negative 10 plus 7. So negative 3. So this is your answer. Got it? Now, similarly, you could see question number 9. They're asking you, what is the area of the circle? Right? So, okay, not to worry. We just put it in Desmos, x plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y equals to 56. So over here, we'll go to Desmos and we'll just put x square is there, y square is there. We'll just simply change it to minus 6, right? And then we'll put it as 8 over here, right? And remove this and put it 56, right? So we have to find, so we know this, we know this. So we'd find the midpoint. So 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 would be 3. And 5 minus 13 would be how much? 8. Negative 8 divided by 2. Right? So that would be negative 4. Or you could just use distance formula. Another easy way to do it is you just use distance formula, right? And then just find the divided by 2 because let us call this point as A, this point as B. So over here, you can see 3 minus 3 whole square plus 5 plus 13 whole square, which would be 0 plus 18 whole square, which simply means 18. So radius is going to be 9. So definitely we can easily get the area of the circle because radius is 9. So area would be 81 pi. So I hope this is going to help you with circle. Stay tuned. And next class we'll get with the calculator, how to do it in graphing calculator. Thank you. See you.